Lesihlahla basibiza nge-African senna. It has got a very bad smell when you grab some leaves and then you smell them. Okuwukuthi ngamanye amagama sitholakala e-Afrika kuphela, ngeke uze usithole kula amanye amazwe. Usithole e-Afrika kuphela. And this is one of the things that make us see the beauty or the power of God through nature. Ukuthi as Africans, God has given us things that other nations they don't have, of which it's something that is what we note it as God's gift through nature. Okay, so this one it's very good when you are someone, maybe your body has got that very bad smell. You can use this plant, especially leaves. You can use leaves. You just take leaves, you pound them with salt, you boil it, and then you apply it on your body like a scrub. You scrub your body, and then you wash your body with warm water with salt after maybe 30 minutes. And then this is going to work wonders for you. And it's going to take away that smell that is pushing people away from you. No one loves you, no one likes you. We call it isichitho in our language because people use it to make sure that they separate you with your loved ones and no one take care of you. Even the father of your kids or maybe your girlfriend is no longer loves you. They did put a certain charm or they did a black magic on you to separate you. This one is going to help you definitely. What you need to get these leaves. Even the flower is working. So the flower is working on some things that I'm not going to mention them now, but on the other video you will get it. You just take some leaves. If you smell it, it's not smelling that good. So you just need to wash your body with it. You can also drink this one. It's very good. It's also cleaning you inside. Maybe if you are that person who having that smell that comes from the stomach, a smell that comes from the stomach, you can use this one. You just boil it, you drink it. You drink half a cup in the morning, half a cup in the evening. That smell will go away. Uzophila ukwazi ukuthi ube right. Makube kuhle ke makube mhlophe mabaphila abantu bakwazi ukuthi zilunge inkinga zakho onazo zonke into zakho. Our number that you can contact us on, it's 083 9471 856. If you are outside South Africa, you can put +27 from the start. When you start the number, you can put +27 83 9471 856. So that's the number that you can get us on. Thank you.